Hello guys. A couple of years ago we have produced this wonderful, beautiful water feature which is on the floor in a very, very exclusive house. I will show you some pictures in a few seconds and take a look at this environment. So it's a really very exclusive customer, very, very beautiful water feature. And here you can see how beautiful it was when it was finished. And I really have to tell you, it is incredibly beautiful. So having said this, we have, well, actually it's not us who have had this misery, but something really ugly happened, and this is why you should always take care of a non-return valve, because the customer here, this is if that's the water feature in this area, then in the garage was the water technology stored in a pumping sump. Let me show you just a picture of that. Okay, so here you can see a local plumber who just is in the pumping sump where we have stored all the pumps and water treatment, etc. So as you can see, it's in the floor of the garage. So the garage was on the same level like the water feature. Water feature is here. So this is the garage level, and there's a pumping sump, and now comes the drama, because we have installed a overflow drain. Okay, so the overflow drain was connected to one of our technical tanks where we had our water treatment, etc. So this overflow drain had no return valve, and there was a flooding. So the local waste pipes or drain have put the wastewater back. So all the dirty, stinky water out of the canalizations, due to the flooding and due to the non-existing non-return valve, all the shit and dirt came into our pumping sump, and then finally came out here. So this is incredible. Can you imagine all the stinky, dirty, shitty water in the middle of this incredible, beautiful place? Yeah, it is unbelievable. So super duper water feature, incredibly beautiful, and then imagine this shit happening. It's really it really happened. So the lesson here is, when you install a water feature, actually it's not your duty, because we just installed our water feature and connected it to the customer's drain. But the drain of the customer should have a non-return valve, so you should advise your customer to have a non-return valve so that the wastewater from the canalization cannot come back. Okay, so this is the reason why you should advise your customer to have a non-return valve, and now you can see what can happen if you don't have it, because it really can happen. Shit can happen and come back from the canalization and enter your water feature. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope this will help you and your customer avoid such incredible misery. And I hope you join us at the Wawazen Waterwall School. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.